Today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, MP, Haryana and any another state, then it is most important exam point of view. So you can prepare it without wasting of time. Question number 49. Question is, what are the benefit and drawback of summative assessment? Explain. जो सम्मेटिव असेसमेंट होता है इसका क्या बेनिफिट है और क्या इसका ड्रॉबैक है, मतलब नुकसान है क्या और फायदा है. ओके. आंसर. बेनिफिट ऑफ सम्मेटिव असेसमेंट. बेनिफिट क्या है सम्मेटिव असेसमेंट का, इसके बारे में जानते हैं. क्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉपर लर्निंग इन्वायरमेंट. एज ए लर्नर विल नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ सम्मेटिव असेसमेंट from the starting. Therefore, summative assessment provide motivation and help to create an appropriate learning environment. Okay. Second point is confidence booster. Okay. ये सब क्या है, समेटिव असेसमेंट के बेनिफिट है. पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट गिव द ट्रेनी अ बूस्ट इन कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कैन act as a springboard into subsequent behavior change back in the workplace. Third point is helpful in identifying weaker areas. Trainers can identify those areas where results are consistently lower and can then consider alternative delivery method helping to develop the training for future event. Evaluative rather than diagnostic. Summative assessment is generally evaluative rather than diagnostic. Either they are more appropriately used to determine learning progress and achievement. Fifth point is helpful in determining degree of learning. Summative assessment is used to determine whether and to what degree a student have learned the lesson they have been taught. Okay. Next point. Now we will discuss about drawback of summative assessment. First, biasness. इसमें क्या होता है, biasness कर सकता है. ये क्या है, ड्रॉबैक है. Summative assessment with limited means of expression, particularly large scale standardized tests that use multiple choices for automated grading, may unfairly disadvantaged for large classes of students and create biasness. Okay. Second drawback of summative assessment is unauthentic. Okay. ये authentic नहीं है, unauthentic है. Summative assessment may measure the wrong things. The way in which students are assessed do not provide accurate information about how they are doing. Next point is reliability and validity errors. ये जो सम्मेटिव असेसमेंट होता है इसमें रिलायबिलिटी और वैलिडिटी में एरर होती है, त्रुटि होती है. ओके. रिलायबिलिटी एंड वैलिडिटी एरर कॉल इनटू क्वेश्चन द पॉइंट ऑफ द सम्मेटिव असेसमेंट व्हिच इज टू एक्यूरेटली मेजर स्टूडेंट परफॉर्मेंस. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज अनेबल टू रेक्टिफाई प्रॉब्लम. Summative assessment do nothing to identify and remedy instructional problem before they become critically. Last point is making student anxious and disruptive. Summative assessment having the big test make student anxious and disruptive to school life. So thank you friends. Hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.